Alright guys, we tell you before we start finish this one project. How you see, we have put a new light, this old one damaged. And what you think? You see, one light is yellow, another one is white. And what you think, which color is better? Probably we thinking about yellow is more nice. Because we have already one finished project with the yellow lights as well. And customer who bought the car asked to put yellow as well, because he see another car. Alright guys, how you know, we repairing the BMW iX3. Couple days back, we been the Bolton BMW center, and we have the quote of the parts. We check which parts is better to order new one, which parts we order on the eBay, each cheaper one. Is you see the couple parts I order the eBay, and rest of the parts we order the brand new on the dealer and continue the work on this one car soonest when we got the parts.
As well?
Until tomorrow.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, we ordered the parts, paid 1,750 on total, and we got every parts to done with one car soon as we got the parts. Part departmental is been tomorrow, and tomorrow we collect the parts and start to do our work of the car to finish. We save on this one order before first quotation, and right now we saved 1,500 before we got the quotation on before the 3,000, ordered the parts on the eBay and save 1,000, roughly around 1,500 pounds right now. And when this car be finished, we tell you every price, show you where we got the parts, show you the invoice, and let you know how much it costs in total and how it's to work and how long it take roughly. Just it. See you later.
This man might have to walk.
No problem. Yeah, all right. We are collect the All-Star which order on the BMW. We paid 1,700 pounds in the original brand new parts. This one car going to repairing to myself, and I wanted to do the job perfectly. No any issue of the car, no wanna be in original parts, everything, no replics, nothing. And I check online, I check on the eBay, 90% parts which bought on the dealer, on the eBay or another markets or salvages costs roughly twice cheaper dealer price, or another guy sell the double price. Maybe I bought the electric grills which going on the bumper. On the market it costs 450 pounds, 500. Main dealer sell the same part brand new, no used, from the 100 pound plus VAT. It costs around 120. And why is the reason to buy second-hand parts and put on the car? Sometimes when you buy the using parts, is you have the cracks, little damages or something like this. Easy way to buy the new parts, fitted, and you're happy your car being done in the perfect condition and no any issues. Just it. And we have a lot of parts already there. We see there is new bumper. It's so many new stuff from the dealer. And we are today planning to fit everything on the car, and tomorrow dropping this one car to body worker to finish body shop. How you see, we fit the new wing on the car, new door, suspension, how it's already done, is drivable, headlights is back again, and we have finished the mostly stuff today. And drop tomorrow to bodywork, and I think it roughly takes around 1 week to finish the car from the body worker, and probably around 10 working days this one car come back to road. guys, one more thing when you bought the part is you have the bracket there. This one has been broke. When you try to find this one bracket, you never find part number. And it's from one part on the active grill. And this one part is separate parts of the active grill. Is keeping just the one screw, but this one bracket is now sold as separate. And when you bought a new grill on eBay, you bought it without this one brackets. And when you're going to dealer to find, dealer sell you just a full active grill, completely.
Fine.
Alright, how you see, we fixed the lower crash bar, new original grill, the bumper brackets, the headlight, side plastic trim. We already fixed radiator support as well, new one. And we are starting now preparing the bumper to change the all parts use some parts from the old one, which is good. It's like grill covers, the sides covers on the V1 bumper, and fit V1 bumper on the car. And should be V1 job from the today been ready. Next step being show you how it looks on the bumper on the car when it's been finished. And next step is V1 car going to bodywork, to respray and do linings. And after we put the small plastic like under trays, the splash guards, everything back on the car, and car being ready. It's easy. It takes to fix this one stuff around 1 hour, and it's not a hard job. Like you see, this one car is category S, but no need nothing pulling on the front. Just take the old broke parts and put the new one. And rest is what wanna do we know can do there. It's bodywork job. Is the pull this one quarter and respray the quarter bumper, the trim, and change the bracket next to the bumper. We know took the bumper mover, but we definitely know about it's been broke. It's no first time when we're repairing the cars, and you don't see this one broke inside, but anyway we know about it's broken, and we already got the new one. And see you on the next step when car has been ready going to bodywork. А может все-таки доставиться сразу этот? Alright guys, car ready to going to bodywork. It's already fixed at the full front end. Bumper on, wings, headlights, arch, everything is done. Now just left the respray car and pulling the rear quarter and respray the side. From that time it takes for me and my colleague to fix the full front end roughly around 2 hours. It's not too long, no very hard job. It's really easy to fix. And when people looking the damaged cars is thinking about it takes long time, very hard to fix, very hard to find the parts, but it's really easy, and we try to show you how it's easy to do this one job. It's no give any headaches, no need of pulling nothing, and it's just a front end left to respray and do linings properly, and left the filling and respray the rear quarter. And when it's come back from the bodywork, we finishing the small jobs like put the splash guard back, put the under trays back, check every files in the car, and make sure this one car been ready without the faults and drivable roughly around next 5-7 days. Alright guys, see you later.
BMW тоже стоит, да.
Hello guys, how you see the BMW iX3 is already finished, it's already test driven. Car don't have any issue, any problems, any faults, everything works perfectly, every system is working again. Happy customer driving this one car right now, and yeah, the seat heavy seats look nice, perfectly. Car valuation on the market right now is around 28 grand. Customer total cost to customer this one car is 20 grand. Customer happy driving, and that's it. Thank you very much.